Is it possible to make money on Fiverr with no experience at all? This is what I have to say about this. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So basically, I used to see lots of videos on how to make money on Fiverr with no experience at all. So anytime I watch this video, I realize the fact that they still talk about having one or two skills whereby you need to use or apply before you can even start to make money on Fiverr. So basically, in those videos I used to see whereby you kind of like applying for a job or creating a gig whereby you'll be editing a picture or a product image whereby you'll be removing the background out of a picture, and you are going to be using one kind of website. Is it maybe background remover, and there are some other stuff like data entry stuff, and I think thumbnail design using Canva, and logo design using Canva, and then maybe presentation as well. And I want you to understand the fact that all these things that you're actually doing, it's not that you don't have any experience at all. You are doing some research and you are watching some certain video that discuss about how you can edit a picture or how to remove a background out of a picture. And of course, you do a lot of research before you can find that picture. You can't just come online or go to fiverr.com and start creating a gig whereby you don't have any knowledge about how to create a gig professionally on Fiverr. I have watched a lot of people on Facebook whereby they have created a gig or create an account on Fiverr for more than 7 months or 6 months, and yet they are not making any sales on Fiverr. It's just because they don't have any experience about how to set up a professional Fiverr account. And I watch some other people as well who have a basic experience on Fiverr, and yet they are not making any sales. That is kind of like different. But if you don't have any experience at all and you are starting to create an account on Fiverr, there are a lot of things you are going to miss, and you won't be able to put some certain things in the right place whereby you won't land your first sale on Fiverr. So after watching a lot of videos regarding starting Fiverr or making money on Fiverr with no experience, I used to challenge those videos and drop a comment, because most of the things that they do in that particular video are also a certain skill, because those people that are trying to watch that video, they are making a lot of research, more research, and that is also in one way or of learning. I believe you understand that. So in one way of learning, you can't just come online and start creating a Fiverr or know how to create Fiverr without using or having any experience. So, and of course, you cannot just take someone else gig description, gig title, gig tags, category, then thumbnail as well. And if that person found that you copy most of these things, so definitely that person will be reporting you to Fiverr, and of course your account will be deleted. So basically, you need to understand the basic concept on how you can start Fiverr, and if you have a particular skill that you think you want to learn. There are a lot of various skills of various categories on Fiverr platform, and if you have any skill that fall into any category, then you learn more about it. And if you already know much about that particular skill, then you can go ahead and research how to create a professional Fiverr account or how to set up a professional Fiverr gig. Then you can get started from them, and as time goes on, you'll be learning on the go. But how could you just say that making money online just like that with no experience at all? Even though those people that do affiliate marketing, forex, crypto trading, and all those other stuff, no matter what skill you actually want to use to make money online, even apart from making money online, you still need to understand the basic concept of that particular thing that you want to do before you can be a professional in that. And let's say, for instance, maybe you get a job and you don't understand any basic concept about that particular job, and then buyer asks you some certain question: how do you want to sort that question. Like, how do you want to give a reply to that buyer? And if your reply doesn't correlate with what buyer actually wants, so definitely that will end up canceling the order. So I don't see any reason why you should do that. So if you want to make money on Fiverr, you need to understand how the platform works. You need to understand the kind of service you want to render on Fiverr platform. Learn the basic and everything you need to know, that okay, this is kind of question that a buyer used to ask before you can get a job from them. So definitely, anytime you message, you will know the kind of question they want to ask you and the kind of reply you prepare ahead for them. So that is just what I understand about making money on Fiverr, or starting Fiverr with no experience, stuff, blah blah blah, like that. So I don't support any kind of video like that. So you need to have 1 or 2 skills before you can start making money, or you can start Fiverr. So far you are not using Fiverr to buy something, so you are selling a service. So you need to understand the basic concept on the kind of things that you want to sell on the platform. So I hope this video help you in one way or the other, and also to get you understand on some kind of videos that you watch, whereby you see that how to make money online with no experience, how to make money on Fiverr with no experience. So you need to have experience before you can convert that thing to make something, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.